Hello friends, this is the fourth video in the row, and for today's topic uh, for Excel is formulas, and the formula is basically of text formulas. You can see here in formulas bar in the text menu. So these are some of the formulas. Here we will discuss about some of the topics that are important for Excel. So in the sequence, first I would like to discuss about Bahhtext. So what's the use of this text is it converts number in the form of Behat language. That is basically a Thai language. You can see here when you will click on text in Behat text. So it converts a number to text that is in the form of Behat. So what we will do here, I'm writing here a number and applying formula using equal. As we all know, the formula begins in Excel with equals symbol. So double click this and click on number and then enter. So this is the Thai language. So this is all about Bahhtext. This is the main work of this formula. Second formula is char. As we all know, there is an SKI code, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So what's the main purpose of SKI is, as we all know, there are numbers, alphabets and symbols also. So these are basically the characters. And so Sky give them a serial number for each and every symbol, character or alphabet. So I'm writing here firstly 1, 2, then I'm going to autofill this, then I'm applying formula char bracket. Again you will select number, so I'm selecting number 1 and then enter, and then auto fill this series. You will see here these are some of the non-printable characters and these are the symbols, these are the numbers. So this is the number series. So if anyone asks you that what's the sky value of 56, your answer would be 8. What's the sky value of 65? So the answer is capital A. So these three series are basically most important in sky series, and this is one of the most important question. 65, this question has been asked so many times in different competitive exams. So this is the series. As uh, when anyone asks you where's the sky value of L, so answer would be 76. So this is all about char. The next formula is clean. So what will it clean? It will clean all non-printable characters. So what are non-printable characters here? I'm writing clean bracket. I'm selecting text here. So it is cleaning this. So what this clean does? This clean formula clears all non-printable characters that are from number 1 to 32. So this is the main task of this clean. Next formula is concatenate. This is one of the most important formula. Sorry, the next formula is code. What will it return? code will return the ASCII value of first character. So I'm writing here computer. The first character is C and capital C. So capital C's ASCII value is 67. So I'm writing code. It returns a numeric code for the first character. So I'm applying bracket and selecting this and enter. So what's the value of capital C here is 67. So it will return only the first character ASCII code. Next is concatenate. The main purpose of concatenate is to join two or more strings together and to make a single text. How would it possible? Like I'm writing here um, Amrit, here Singh. So this is the first name, this is the last name. I'm using here concatenate. I'm selecting first text, comma, second text, bracket, enter. So concatenate joins these different text into one text. But there is a problem here. There is no space between these two texts. So how would we do it? So is equal to concatenate, select first text, comma, double quotes, space, double quotes, comma. So in between these double quotes there is a space, and then select the next text, bracket, enter. So there is a space in between Amrit Singh. If you want to add some new thing between these two, I'm writing here underscore, enter. You will get underscore. So this is all about concatenate. The next formula is dollar. So it converts a number to text using currency format. Like how? I'm writing here dollar, bracket, I'm selecting first number, then decimals. Means how many decimal places we want after a numeric symbol. I'm writing here 3. So answer would be 7.000 and with preceding dollar symbol, bracket, and enter. So this is the dollar command. Next is exact. I'm again writing here computer and in small case also. So what's the main purpose of exact? It will check whether two given strings are exactly the same and it will return true or false. So there are two different cases of computer, in uppercase and in lowercase. Firstly, I am selecting first text, comma, second text. Spellings are same, but the cases are different. So it will return false. I am selecting first text and second text. Here spellings are same, also the cases are same. So bracket, it will return true. So this is the main purpose of exact. Here we will check two strings and it will give you answer in the form of the true and false. The next is find. So this would be our last formula for today. Find. It returns the starting position of one text string. How? Find text. So I'm selecting capital O, comma, within text with computer, and I'm starting from number 1, bracket. So O is at the position 2, so it will return 2. But this is the case where O's occurrence is only 1. But if in case you have, suppose, India, here I comes twice. So how will you check? Is equal to find text I, comma, within text from India, start number from starting from 1. Enter. It will return only 1. Why not the second occurrence of I? So how will you check? Is equal to find. Firstly, you should know about the, if suppose you have I's occurrence 3 times, so you should know about the first position, then second position, only you will get the third position. Like I know about the I's position as at 1. So how will you calculate using first starting position? So again I want to find I. Within text is also same, but here start number is changed. So you know about the I's occurrence. I's first occurrence is 1. You want to calculate the second position of I. So you will add one number to the first starting position. So the first position is 1. So when I am going to add one number, the second number is 2. Bracket, enter. So the second occurrence of I is 4. If again I am writing anything I, so you know that I comes here 3 times, and you also knows about the status of first 2 I's value. So I am going to calculate third value. Is equal to find text I, within text from this, and starting number. Again add one number to the previous one. So 4 was the number. I'm going to add one number, that is 5. Then bracket and enter. You know that the third occurrence of I is 8. So these were some of the formulas of text here. In the next video, I will like to discuss the rest of the formulas in detail. So this was all about today. Thank you, and please like, share and subscribe my video.